What's the meaning of Buddy Holly? Buddy Holly. Buddy Holly.
Buddy Holly. Buddy Holly. Buddy Holly refers to a famous American singer-songwriter and musician named Charles Hardin Holly, who was born in 1936 and died tragically in a plane crash in 1959 at the young age of 22. He is often credited with helping to pioneer the rock and roll genre in the 1950s, and his music continues to be celebrated today. The name Buddy was a childhood nickname that stuck with him throughout his career. In popular culture, Buddy Holly has become a cultural touchstone, representing not only the artist but also the era of early rock and roll music.